Alright guys, it's been about 30 minutes. Everyone's doing a real good job. I know there's about like 10 minutes left in the class, but I just want to stop everybody right now just so I can go over some things. I was walking around the class and everyone's been doing a real good job at working together, working collaboratively. Everyone's been using their resources well. The people who have been using the Chromebooks, you know, I appreciate you guys not like surfing the web or anything like that. So, the one thing that I kind of noticed that I wanted to focus on is the coloring. The coloring, I know I kind of just like, I know it's in the directions, I know I just kind of just breezed over it, but the coloring is really an important part of what I was kind of like looking for, because you guys obviously have the content down. You guys are very good at like labeling the map. You guys have been doing a really good job at finding the correct maps for the time period itself. But the coloring is what I was really looking forward to. Right here we have a map of the Europe during World War II, and it's all very similar to the map I gave you guys. What I like about this map is that it has, you know, obviously the coloring, but it also has an arrow to show where the Axis powers were traveling to, what countries they were taking over, and what area they were really advancing. This is kind of what I want to kind of see in your maps. I know that a lot of you guys are still working on it, so that's why I wanted to cut you guys kind of offshore a little, just so I can go over this one point. Everybody, I wanted to see something kind of like this, kind of like where the Axis powers were going, what countries they were taking over, and color coding it. So, with that being said, on this next slide, it's just a simple recap. I want to make sure that everyone gets the highest grade that they can on it. So please highlight the important factors, highlight the countries, label them correctly, and first and foremost, please, please, please work on the coloring. The coloring is what will really make the map stand out, and it'll really help you guys in the future, because I know that this is kind of an assignment and it's like the end of the unit, but you guys can also use all these resources for the end of the year, for the state test, for your study guide. So I'm trying to help you guys out. I'm trying to like think of the future. This can be a really helpful tool for you guys, and I think that with this activity, it'll perfectly kind of like capture everything that we've been talking about for the past 2 days. So, the last thing I want to talk about before I give you guys the rest of the class to finish it, because remember, this is an exit ticket, and like I said, you guys have been doing a real good job, but I need you guys to finish this so that tomorrow we have the unit and we can just start fresh. This right here is a rubric that I will be passing out right now. This rubric is very important because I'm trusting you guys to grade each other. And what I mean by that is, once you guys are done, in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to tell every group to switch with another group. You're going to exchange maps. You're going to use this group. Everybody in the group has to put their name on one paper. Then you're going to write which group you're observing. Then you're going to fill out the rubric, circle which ones that you felt that they met the requirements. Please take it serious, you guys. Like I said, this is a helpful assignment, so I want to make sure you guys are grading properly. You guys aren't too harsh, you guys aren't too lenient. I know you guys got some friends in the class, so please make sure you guys are taking this rubric very serious, and then you're going to have to turn this in at the end of the class with the map attached to it. I'm also going to be looking at the rubric, so make sure you guys take it very serious, alright? Alright guys, and before I let you guys off to finish it, the exit ticket is going to be the map, and it is going to be the rubric. Everyone's name has to be on both of them, but every group only has to turn in one copy. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Alright guys, we got 5 minutes left in the class. Use them wisely.